Generating consistent characters with Higgsfield Popcorn. Now let's explore more about Popcorn. As you can see, Higgsfield Popcorn is a next generation storyboard generator. And in this video, we are going to learn how to use this tool to create and generate better results. You can refine your consistent scenes, upload image references, describe your shots, and produce visually consistent outputs. Let's try the auto mode and see how it performs. I'll click here, describe the mood or action to create the scene, and paste my prompt. On the right hand corner, there's a generate for free button if you are using Higgsfield Popcorn, but it won't stay free forever. As new AI technologies become available, Higgsfield will keep adding them to the platform. Then you'll be able to use those advanced features easily with a simple monthly plan. No need to pay for multiple AI tools. At the same time, I'll try to generate an image using Higgsfield to create an advertisement. On the top left corner, there's an image button. Click Create Image. As you can see, I have already generated a lot of images. But this time, let's create a purse. I'll click on Generate. It's now creating a purse and also a beautiful woman. You can choose which model you want to use. Right now, it's using Higgsfield Soul, or you can also select Nano Banana. Let's go with Nano Banana. Our Higgsfield Popcorn scene is generated. As you can see, our character remains consistent across all scenes. There we go. It's a 2D anime style character, but if you prefer a realistic character, you can do that too. Let's try once more. Now I'm downloading the images. These are my characters, both of them, and I'll also take this purse. I'm going to upload more images, my characters and the purse, and click upload. Then let's describe the mood or action to create the new scene. I'll type my prompt right here. You can write a detailed prompt if you wanted to, or keep it simple. Either way, it delivers great results. Now click Generate. Now let's switch to manual mode and see how to get better results by writing our own scenes. I have the same woman character, so I'll add my first scene here. Now I'll add the second one. I'll try to arrange all my scenes here, and I'll also show you how to create these scenes by simply taking screenshots and adding them manually. As you can see, I can add as many scenes as I want. I'll try to generate 6 at once. Right now, it only allows 6 scenes. Okay, adding my first scene now. Then I'll click Generate for free to create my scenes. Here's the generation, our purse and our model. As you can see, it's very consistent, producing beautifully aligned results. Now, consistent images. I know many of you wanted to generate cartoon-style movies, so let me show you how to do that with Higgsfield Popcorn. First, I'll generate an image in Higgsfield, choosing a 1:1 aspect ratio and type cute cartoon-like toon character. Then hit Generate. As you can see, this is our consistent character, our pose, and the overall scene. Everything, the character, the style, the colors is consistent, which is amazing. Now our cute cartoon character is ready as well. I'll click here to download it, then come back and click on manual mode again. Now I'll delete the old scenes to start fresh with my new cartoon style character. I'll upload my image here, and that's my new character. Then I'll type my first scene description and add my prompt right below. Next, I'll add my second and third scenes. Whenever I wanted to add more, I just press the Add Scene button here. You can currently add up to 6 scenes, maybe more later. But for now, 6 is the limit. Now I'll click Generate to produce my cartoon movie. And here we go. Our scenes are generated and the character remains consistent across every shot. Whenever you want it to animate, just press Animate and it will create an animation of your scene. You can write your prompt here and choose your model. I'm going to choose Sora 2. If you wanted something more advanced, Higgsfield also includes Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro. For now, I'll use Sora 2 and click Generate. Then I'll come back here. Click on Popcorn And here are our generations. I'll copy the same scene prompt, paste it here, describe my prompt again, and hit generate. You can also choose the aspect ratio. I'll select 16:9 since that's perfect for videos, and it will start rendering our video. I'll do the same for the other scenes as well. Now here is the scene with our pose and model. This one looks much better. I'll hit animate. Come here and try different models. This time I'll choose Sora 2 Pro. It uses more credits, but it's the most advanced AI technology available in Higgsfield right now. If you want truly stunning results, go for Higgsfield Sora 2 Pro. But don't worry. You don't have to pay for every single model. You just need one simple monthly plan. Right now, I'm using the Ultimate plan, which gives me 1200 credits each month. That's more than enough to experiment with all the models and create amazing results. I get access to everything for just $49 per month. I have already placed a link in the description below so you can check it out yourself. And the best part, if you are watching this video right now, Popcorn, Higgsfield Popcorn is completely free to try. So go ahead, explore Higgsfield Popcorn for free and start generating your own creations today. If you are having trouble writing prompts, one of the easiest methods is to take a screenshot and use ChatGPT to train it for the results you want. All you need to do is capture a screenshot, then come to ChatGPT. Once you are here, simply describe the scene you want to create. ChatGPT will analyze the information in that screenshot, learn from it, and then generate the exact result you are looking for, quickly and effortlessly. Now, this is the way you can easily create a prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to try Higgsfield Popcorn for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.